Selling a home is a significant decision that often involves choosing between various methods to achieve the best outcome. Now, while open houses have long been a conventional approach, the rise in innovative solutions such as Trusted House Buyers in San Diego introduces a compelling alternative. In this video, we will explore the advantages of opting for a trusted cash buyer over the traditional open house method and delve deeper into why this approach is gaining popularity among homeowners. I'm Emily with Trusted House Buyers, and thanks for tuning in today. One of the primary benefits of choosing Trusted House Buyers in San Diego over an open house is the speed and efficiency of the process. Now, open houses typically involve weeks of preparation, staging, and waiting for potential buyers to show interest. Now, on the contrary, Trusted House Buyers operates on a faster timeline, often closing deals within a matter of days. So Trusted House Buyers streamlines the home selling process, allowing homeowners to bypass the prolonged waiting period associated with open houses. Now, this speed is especially advantageous for those looking to sell quickly due to job relocation, financial constraints, or other urgent reasons. Now, the accelerated pace not only expedites the selling process, but also reduces the stress associated with prolonged uncertainties. Now, one of the uncertainties surrounding open houses is the unpredictability of potential buyers' interests. Now, despite the effort put into staging and marketing, there is no guarantee that a suitable buyer will emerge. Now, this uncertainty can be stressful for homeowners, especially those seeking a swift and certain sale. So Trusted House Buyers, on the other hand, provides a level of certainty in the selling process. We are well established in the real estate market and have the financial capability to make immediate purchases. Now, this assurance can be particularly appealing to sellers who prioritize a seamless and reliable transaction. Now, knowing that a sale is imminent provides peace of mind and allows homeowners to plan their next steps with confidence. Now, preparing a home for an open house involves considerable time, effort, and sometimes substantial financial investments. From deep cleaning and repairs to staging and landscaping, the preparation process can be exhaustive. So for homeowners who prefer to sell their property without the hassle of extension preparations, Trusted House Buyers offers a convenient alternative. Now, Trusted House Buyers often purchases homes in their current condition, eliminating the need for extensive renovations or staging. This not only saves homeowners time and effort, but also reduces the financial burden associated with preparing a property for public viewing. Now, the simplicity of the process allows sellers to transition smoothly from listing to sale without the added stress of preparing their property for showcase. Now, open houses can be stressful for homeowners, requiring them to vacate the property for extended periods and accommodating potential buyers' schedules. Now, the inconvenience is further amplified when sellers are in a time-sensitive situation. Trusted House Buyers alleviates the stress by conducting efficient transactions that minimize disruption to the homeowner's daily life. Now, using a cash buyer investor like Trusted House Buyers, there is no need for homeowners to endure the inconvenience and multiple showings, juggling work schedules, and keeping the property in pristine condition for potential buyers. Now, this streamlined process allows for a more relaxed and convenient selling experience. This not only reduces the emotional strain on sellers, but also ensures that the selling journey aligns with their lifestyle and preferences. Now, unlike the standardized process of open houses, Trusted House Buyers offers flexibility, customization in our approach. Now, these buyers understand that each homeowner's situation is unique and we tailor the solution accordingly. So whether a homeowner's facing foreclosure, dealing with an inherited property, or simply seeking a quick sale, cash buyers can adapt to individual needs. Now, this flexibility is a significant advantage over the rigid structure of open houses, which may not cater to specific circumstances or timelines. Now, Trusted House Buyers prioritizes, customizes, and ensures the selling process aligns seamlessly with the homeowner's requirements. The ability to tailor the transaction to unique situations fosters a positive and personalized selling experience in the dynamic landscape of real estate. The choice between using Trusted House Buyers in San Diego or opting for the traditional open house depends on individual priorities and circumstances. Now, while open houses have their merits, the speed, certainty, convenience, and flexibility offered by trusted cash buyers present a compelling case for home sellers looking to navigate the home selling process with efficiency and ease. So for homeowners seeking a reliable and stress-free selling experience, the innovative approach of Trusted House Buyers in San Diego provides a noteworthy alternative to the more conventional open house method. Now, as the real estate market continues to evolve, exploring these modern solutions may be the key to unlocking a smoother and more expedited home selling journey, ultimately ensuring that sellers not only achieve their financial goals, but also enjoy a positive and personalized selling experience tailored to their unique needs. So give Trusted House Buyers a call today at 619-786-0973. Thanks for watching today.